funny I am.
Hey, that's not a word and all that sort of stuff.
That's when my baby says, ooh, it's a warehouse over yonder. Now that's when my baby says, cause I see my baby no more. 99 half day. Now I say, wait a minute, my kingdom in this cycle one. Now I say, wait a minute. He don't fit this other one. Yeah. Oh, I got a bad, bad feeling that my baby don't leave me no more. Ooh, it's a warehouse over yonder. Ooh, Lord, that's when my baby says, ooh, this warehouse over yonder. No, that's when my baby says, ooh, I got a bad, bad feeling. My baby don't leave me no more. Ooh, but I guess I better go off and wander up for another day. Ooh, bye. I guess I better go off and wander up over yonder, yeah. So my baby don't love me no more. I know this is the way. Strumming my veil with his fingers. Yes, he was singing my life with his words. Killing softly with his song. Killing softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had sung. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, drawing my finger with his fingers. Yes, he was singing my life with his words. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with his song. I felt a flashing fever, embarrassed by the crowd. 30 seconds of every day, and every chord is written for us to recite. Every beautiful melody of devotion. Every night, this ocean might carry me in a wave of emotion to ask you to marry me. Every word, every second, and every word, expressions of happiness, more really than ever heard. And when I play it, every chord is a poem, telling the Lord how grateful I am, cause I know of the harmonies possess a sensation similar to your caress. If you ask me, then I'm telling you it's yes. Stand in line, take my hand and love, God bless, right? Now I want to give you some good, you love it. Now I want to give you some love, I want to give you some good, you love it. Now I want to give you some good, you love it. know now. I'm with an
stuff. I remember I used to do yarn spinning, and there was a bloke, he did workshops on yarn spinning, and he said, well, we should work on the doorway principle. Your arms should never get past the doorway principle. And I thought, what the biggest load of shit I've ever heard in my life. You know, I used to live in Sydney, and I was in Neutral Bay, and the bloke next door to me, we used to call him Barry the Dwarf, because he was a dwarf. In those days, you could call people Barry the Dwarf, and he wasn't, he was little concerned with that. And anyway, I saw him at the bus stop, and I was heading home, and I said, Barry, can I give you a lift home? And Barry said, piss off, Cap. And so I just zipped up my backpack and kept walking. Zipped up my backpack. Barry couldn't fit in there. Shouldn't have to explain. Here's an old song. All the games people play now, every night and every day now, never meaning what they say now, never saying what they mean. All they while away the hours in their ivory towers, till they covered up in flowers in the back of a black limousine. Na 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 na, talking about you and me and the games people play. You make one another cry, break your hearts and you say goodbye, cross your hearts and you hope to die, and the other is to blame. But neither one forgiving, as you gaze at an 8x10, thinking about the things that might have been. It's a dirty, rotten shame. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. People walking up to ya, singing glory, hallelujah, and they try to suck it to ya in the name of the Lord. Gonna teach you how to meditate, read the horoscope, cheat your grade, and forget all the hell and hate. Come on, get on board, everybody. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Look around and tell me what you see, what can happen to you and me. God bring me the serenity to remember who I am. Are you giving up your sanity? Are you pride and your vanity? Turn your back on humanity and you don't give a damn. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Yay, right into the 60s. And he remembers the first time he met her. He remembers the first thing she said. time go by. A love that was more than the clothes that they wore is seen in the gleam of their eye. As a kid they would take me for candy. I loved to go tagging along. We'd hold hands as we walked to the corner, and the old man would sing her this song. I'll give you a daisy a day, dear. I'll give you a daisy a day. I'll love you until the rivers run still, and the four winds they don't blow away. Now he walks down the street in the evening and stops by the old candy store. I somehow believe he's believing. He's holding a hand like before. He sees all the love walking with him and smiles at the things she might say. Then the old man walks up to the hilltop and gives her a daisy a day. I'll give you a daisy a day, dear. I'll give you a daisy a day. I'll love you until the rivers run still, and the four winds we don't blow away. Hey! One more song. I've been to cities that never closed down. And the Australians here, from New York to Rio. Don't forget the chunks in the stacks, Cameron. The chunks in the chinks in the sticks, sorry. I'll start again. I've been to cities that never closed down. From New York to Rio and old London town. But no matter how far or how wide I roam, I still call Australia home. I'm always traveling. I love being free. So I keep leaving the sun and the sea. But my heart lies waiting
soon you'll be growing old. Some say love, well it won't fool you. Some say love is a heart of gold. Some say love is a hallelujah. But one day soon you'll be growing old. Yes, someday soon you'll be growing old. Some say love is like a river. Some say love is a story told. Some say love is what you give her. But one day soon you'll be growing old. Yes, someday soon you'll be growing old.
wasted, staying home alone, wondering if I'm always gonna be alone. I lost my faith, pull the blinds, shut the gate, leave me alone to my misery. And when she came into my life, like a rainbow after the rain, see her walking, hear her talking, she's in my mind. She's the one that I don't. Didn't care about my life, I didn't wanna know. I just wanted everyone to leave me alone. I lost my way, pull the rope, break the chain, leave me alone to my misery. And when she came into my life, like the rainbow after the rain, see her dancing, hear her singing, she's in my mind. She's the one that I adore. She got me out of bed and made me look around, made me wonder why that I had shut myself down. I found my way, opened my heart, her embrace, no more walking in misery. And when she came into my life, like a rainbow after the rain, she come, see me dancing, hear me singing, she's in my mind. She's the one that I don't. She's the one that I don't. It's an endless dream of summers to find the one you love. You walk the beach and find out what each other's minds are made of. And the sun is bright and warm, don't you feel like you belong? And the best thing is, you think it would be forever. And you never ask for anything but love and try to follow your feelings. And you only have that risk, and all your love won't end in chaos. End in chaos. It's a mean and dirty blow when winter comes back round. The higher that you fly, the harder you hit the ground. She promised she would stay until her dying day. And the worst thing is, she thought it would be forever. And you never ask for anything but love and try to follow your feelings. And you only have that risk, and all your love won't end in chaos. End in chaos. I try, but no matter what I do, I can't stop wanting to be with you. It isn't easy to forget, it isn't easy to get over you. To get over you. 10 years now I've been alone. I reflect upon the past, wonder what could have been. Maybe kids and everything. I wanna try again, but my heart won't seem to mend. And the worst thing is, the hurt feels like forever. And you never ask for anything but love, and try to follow your feelings. And you only hope that risk and all your love won't end in chaos. End in chaos. When I see you standing there, I just realize how lucky I am. I can feel it down in my toes, I can feel it all over my soul. Is it legal to be in love as much as I am? Got a funny feeling inside me, it's burning in my heart. It's burn, 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 burning, burning in my heart. Used to be so miserable, couldn't see in front of my nose, didn't know my right from my left, felt like I'd be better off dead. Could have happened to someone else, but it happened to me. Got a funny feeling inside me, it's burning in my heart. It's burn, 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 burning, burning in my heart. I'm defying gravity with every step, and if it weren't attached I'd lose my head. I know it sounds absurd, I swing on every word. You say to me, yes, you are on the moon. Got me thinking about myself. Maybe I'm not so bad after all. Do you feel like going downtown? Do you feel like coming around? Yes, you say, and I am on the moon. Got a funny feeling inside me, it's burning in my heart. It's burn, 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 burning, burning in my heart. It's burn, 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 burning, burning in my heart.
Night takes a sunny day, I know all the people race. I know everyone is missing something, let me stop it. I saw someone like you, they look so much like you. Wave to a dog and smile to a neighbor. She's getting older, I don't want to think of it. Think of a sunny day, think of a sunny day. So, I put some music on, walk into a song that will set this street on fire. Strange how a song can do that sometimes. I'm feeling all alone, standing on the corner while my friends dance out of time. Out of time. Meet me at the old bar, we can keep the cold out. Everyone is dancing, singing, and we'll feel so safe inside. Watch the people spin, you know that I love you, but I think it's over when it's really over. Always, I don't know, the lights are going low. Tonight I need a happy song, happy song. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da, la da, la da. Have you seen her lately? Tears run away, she's happy when I saw her at the funeral for Jake's dad. He's quieter these days, he's quieter these days. Do you still love him? You told me that once. It's been months and he needs you. Just call him, you stop him. Ask if I miss him, but course I still miss her. So please put some music on and slip into a song that will take us from our minds. It's strange how a song can do that sometimes. I'm feeling all alone, standing on the corner while my friends dance out of time. Out of time. Meet me at the old bar, we can keep the cold out. Everyone is dancing, singing, and we'll feel so safe inside. Watch the people spinning, you know that I love you, but I think it's over. Will it still be over? Always, I don't know. The lights are golden low. Tonight I need a happy song, happy song. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da la da la da. And do you remember the winter, cold winter breath? The lights and the trees for Christmas, the crowds on the steps were all so still and quiet. You put your hand in mine. My friends are calling, I have to go now. It shouldn't be talking, it all ends in fighting. But I don't care who's right. We'll leave the phone in silence. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da la da la da. Meet me at the old bar, we can keep the cold out. Everyone is dancing, singing, and we'll feel so safe inside. Watch the people spinning, you know that I love you, but I think it's over. Will it still be over? Always, I don't know. The lights are golden low. Tonight I need a happy song, everyone. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da la da la da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da la da la da.
What do you think?
But stains won't make it better. Got good things, got you. Oops, and everything. Get back too soon. Are you lonely? Were you there when I'm not in the room? Are you only part of this when you choose? Is it real? Is it something that you cannot touch? Do you feel like you feel too much? Bloodstains won't make it better. Got good things, got you. Oops, and everything. Get back too soon. Bloodstains, confusing, happens everything to you. Oops, and everything. Get back too soon. Something crazy, something changing in the way you talk. You are lately trying to be the one on top. Come on down, come on, give it to me like you should. On the ground, get up in the night, feel Turn on the telephone, sing it in my head, sing it in my head, sing it in my head. Write it down, all things go wrong, and the ink ran red, and the ink ran red, and the ink ran red. But stains won't make it better. Good things got you. Oops, and everything get back, never get back